Let's think this through. Two things that don't fit into my work are politics and the short-term macroeconomy. Now, don't get me wrong. I have opinions that can stir my emotions, but I don't allow opinions and emotions to define my advice for my goal-focused, plan-driven, long-term investor clients. And I don't work with short-term stock market price speculators either. Now, yeah, we got a presidential election just a few weeks away where each side believes if they don't win, it will be the end of our economic world as we know it. Well, the reality is that any short-term effect that the election has, whether it's good or bad, well, it will be short-term. And while political policies do matter, history reveals the markets do just fine, regardless of which political party controls the White House or the houses of Congress. And the economy can't be forecasted with any meaningful degree of accuracy anyway. There's lots of smart people that attempt to do so, and few get it even close to being right. You know, it's been said that astrology was invented to make economic forecasting look legitimate. You know, there's been plenty of problems, even horrors in our world. And in the video just recently, I named quite a few. Now, there will be future economic issues. It's inevitable. These issues will likely be very different from any past experiences. They always are. But with each and every incident and the uncertainty of outcomes, our human mind seems to be hardwired toward an emotion-driven, panicked response. And the financial media doesn't help either, because they stoke those emotions 24/7 with their negative commentary, their opinions, sensationalism, and journalistic trivia focused only on the current moment. Now, sadly, this short-term focus by the media essentially robs and steals an investor's long-term perspective and any sense they might have that their personal plan will, in the long run, likely be unaffected by current events. But no, I'm still very optimistic about our future, and I'm here to keep my clients vigorously focused on the timeless truths of investing. These truths can be hard to remember when all you hear is gloom and doom. I believe that most public companies can and will, and have demonstrated success working around whatever difficulties that geopolitical turmoil, inflation, or any other systemic problems they happen to encounter. Successful companies will continue to generate wealth for their owners over time. Be an owner. Think about it. If you want common sense, follow me.